Here's a quick tutorial on how to send a transfer using bill payment. The bill payment option allows you to pay for your transfer using cash or your mobile banking app. The first step to using bill payment is adding Remitbee as a payee. In order to do this, you will need your Remitbee wallet number. Here's how to find it. Step 1. Log into Remitbee. Step 2. Click My Wallet. Once you have your account number ready, you have two options. Option 1. Add Remitbee as a payee through your mobile banking app. Each banking app may be a little different, but these are general instructions. Step 1. Log into your online banking and go to the bill payment section. Step 2. Select Add Payee. Step 3. Type Remitbee in the search field and select it. Step 4. Enter your account number, your Remitbee account number. Step 5. Select Verify Payee. From here, you can choose to send your payment through the app by entering the payment amount and confirming transfer details. If you would prefer to send a transfer by cash, then you will need to go to your nearest bank branch. Step 1. Bring your cash to your bank branch. Step 2. Let the teller know you would like to pay a bill to Remitbee. Then, give them your Remitbee account information. Step 3. Tell them the amount and give them the cash. Bill payment is currently only available to those who belong to these banks: BMO, Tangerine, Meridian, RBC, Scotiabank. Once your bill payment has been received, your wallet will be funded and you will be able to select the recipient to send your transfer to.